the topic of adapted honeybees, locally adapted honeybees, has been something that I've been evaluating and looking into, and it's been a discussion point for a lot of folks lately. And in the past, local adaptation is not a new thing. It's not something novel. James Lee with James Lee's Bees. It's been a while. It's Saturday, March 23rd, 2024. First time I've said the date on camera, and it's probably the last time I'm going to actually get it right. But it is 33 degrees here in Romulus. It's about 3:30, somewhere around there. Don't know for sure. It's been a lazy day, getting some work done, but taking my time doing it. But, the topic of adapted honeybees, locally adapted honeybees, has been something that I've been evaluating and looking into, and it's been a discussion point for a lot of folks lately. And in the past, local adaptation is not a new thing. It's not something novel, but it's interesting to me that some folks believe that there is not such a thing as local adaptation because of the influx of genetics from other areas and commercial strains and various other things that can contribute to the inability to have a pure adapted stock. But when I look at my bees every year for the last few years in the weather that we have, 30, 31, 32, 33 degrees, it makes me question the validity behind anybody's statements to the contrary that bees could be locally adapted. And here, let me show you why I think that. So these are some colonies that have been bred out of bees from swarms and other splits that I've done off of colonies that have been raised in my backyard, in my home yards. And these bees are currently foraging, out getting water, looking for pollen. Who knows what they're on? I don't see any pollen coming in right now, but these bees are flying, and they don't have any issues, at least at this point, with the 33-degree temps. And if you take a look at them, they don't seem stressed or perplexed or challenged. Now, it's not like there is a myriad of bees coming and going by the hundreds, as if there were a flow or there was a large pollen source around. But these bees are coming and going without any real major concerns. So to me, that says local adaptation is legitimate. It tells me that these bees are northern adapted stock and that they can handle the climate from whatever it is that their genetics have provided for them. So I don't think you could tell me outside of observation that local adaptation isn't possible. Now just imagine that we are able to breed for this on a consistent basis by selecting stocks that are doing what my bees are doing just right now. And I'm not using instrumental insemination. I don't have a fancy breeding program, and I definitely haven't been doing it for decades. Imagine if you were at least looking for it, you'd find it. All right. Okay, bye.